as you've seen, we've skipped forward a couple of lessons so that we can get through everything we need to get through in this weird time. I hope you guys are doing well and working hard to learn, but also having fun hanging out with your family. Okay, here's our essential question. What sounds can you hear and what are they made of? Here's our text to self connection. What do you like about your favorite sounds? What is your favorite sounds? I love to listen to music. I love country music. I love hip-hop music. I love any kind of music. And I think it can be either really motivating or really relaxing. That's what I love about music. I also love to hear laughter. It just makes me happy. So talk to your family or think about what do you like about your favorite sounds? What do you dislike about your least favorite sounds? What's your least favorite sound in the world? Maybe your alarm going off in the morning. Shoot. I always get scared when I hear sirens. That might be my least favorite sound, probably because my husband's a police officer. It always scares me what's happening or if someone's hurt. Are there any, text to world. What kind of sounds can you hear anywhere on earth? What kind of sounds can you hear anywhere on earth? I would say, what can you hear anywhere on earth? How about birds chirping? That would be the sound. Same sound anywhere on earth. Animal sounds. What kinds of sounds are specific to the part of the world where you live in? So what kinds of sounds? That's a tough one. What are specific? Our language is specific to the part of the world that we live in. Let's go on. Okay, phonemic awareness. Phonics. Read the words. Out, shout. South, south. Ow, wow. Owd, loud. Cool, owd, cloud. Cool, out, clout. If you have clout, that means you're kind of an important or a powerful person. Clout. Out, pout. Out, out. Ouch, ouch. Ouch, pouch. Full, ouch, slouch. Cur, ouch, crouch. Cur, own, crown. Cull, own, clown. Own, down. Own, gown. Own, frown. We have frown twice. Okay, here's those endings. We have fast, faster, fastest. Dark, darker, darkest. You can see in those two examples the root word, the beginning word didn't change. Safe, safer, safest. And you can see here we didn't add an extra E. It already ended in an E. Okay, spelling words. Gail, let me move myself. Cow. Gail will milk the cow. Town. There are many buildings in the town. Mouse. The mouse came in our house. How. How did you learn to ride your bike? Do you know how to ride a bike? Out. We will walk out the door. Mouth. I will talk with my mouth. Born. Here's a review word with our bossy R or R-controlled vowel. The baby was born in March. Here's walking vowels. Roar. We heard the lion roar at the zoo. Here's our high frequency words. Nothing. There is nothing in the house. My kids always think there's nothing in the house to eat. Early. We will be early for school. Early. Okay, here's our sort, which I can't really sort, but we can talk about. So, O-U, O-W, or no, ow sound. So, let's see, the first word is ow, cow. Go in O-U. Early, early. No O-U, no ow. Or, roar. Born, born. No O-U. Mouth, mouth. O-U. Own, town, O-W. Nothing. Ow, how, O-W. Out, out, O-U. Mouse, mouse, O-U. Okay, high frequency words. Color. I'm going to try to make it flash quick on your screen and go to the next word. Early. Instead. Doesn't really work. Instead. Nothing. Oh. Thought. Vocabulary words. Scrambled. Climbed or walked quickly. The people scrambled to get in line. Suddenly. It happens quickly without notice. The sky suddenly got dark. Okay, last week's words. Idea. A picture or thought you get in your mind. I have an idea of what to give him for a birthday present. Unusual. It is not common. I've never seen food that color. It is unusual. So here's our grammar using an, this, that. This is used when talking about a person or a thing that is close by. That is used when talking about a thing or a person that is far away. A hound sniffs at the ground. Use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. A hound. So H is a consonant. Remember, consonants are things that are not vowels. So A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Those are hang loose vowels. Anything that is not a vowel is a consonant. So H is a consonant. Use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound, like ape. A is a vowel sound, so we would use an ape instead of saying a ape. Okay, let's identify the adjectives. This mix needs a cup of water. Could you hand me that cup? So we have this, and that. That describes the noun mix, cup, and then cup again. So now let's use capitalized. We talked about this really quick the other day. You capitalize a book title. So we capitalize the first word in all important words in a book title. We don't capitalize little words like and, of, and in, unless that's the beginning of the title, the book title. When we write the title of a book, we underline all the words in the title. So let's look at each sentence. I read, the train came down. So it would need to, the rain came down. All need to be capitalized because that's the title of the book. And then we underline it because once again, it is the title of the book. The art in one more sheep is funny. So I read that, kind of funny. The art in one more sheep, that's the title of the story, is funny. So we would capitalize one, more, and sheep, and then underline it, because that is the title of the story. Okay, that's the end of our lessons for this week. Good luck on your test tomorrow. Make sure you're studying, and I love you guys, and I miss you. Bye.